Hello viewers, hope everyone is doing great. In this video, let us see what is the deeper meaning of relationship and how can we accomplish it within and around us in a very positive and true sense. We all know the way how two or more people are connected or the way they behave towards each other determines the relationship, or that's what it really means. This is what we believe the relationship is. Relationship, in a true sense, starts from within ourselves rather than from outside or the external environment, that is, with the other people. It all starts from being true to ourselves. We should learn to love our own self, to be in true relationship within us and others. If we are in true relationship with others, it means that we should be able to express to them what we truly think about them or the situation, whether it is good or bad. We need to inculcate certain golden qualities to keep our relationship a valuable one with others. The few are: we should never overprice anyone. We should never get angry on anyone unnecessarily. Just we need to guide the person if we feel they are really in need or in trouble. We need to live without any expectation from others. After all, love is giving, not expecting from others. For that, we need to develop self-love within ourselves. We need to love our inner consciousness and always be in relationship with it heartily and truly. To understand the value of relationship, we should also learn the other aspect that is very important in life, that is the true desire and the power of it. It is the inner consciousness, the true spiritual power lying within us, fulfills our desire. We humans are taking care of the forest as a part of the forest conservation. We are planting trees in a similar aspect. But originally, it is the animals living in the jungle and the forest need food for their living. So, they desire for it heartily, right from the unicellular organism to the gigantic creatures that we even not know. As a result of this pure desire, the universe gracefully pours rain, which leads to the formation of newer plants and other organisms in this universe. This is how the natural food chain come into existence in this universe. We now know the power of the right desire and the grace of universe towards it. So, in the name of laws of attraction, we should not confuse the desire with the lust. The desire for the right and the needful things keeps the life accomplished and peaceful. So, we should be thankful to the universe for what we get and what we didn't get, because it knows what is right for us in every moment of our life. We now know the power of the true desire and the value of being true. So, never try to cheat ourselves or others. Instead, develop self-love, not the false ego. To develop or build a strong relationship within our inner self, daily, either in the early morning or in the night before sleeping, try to talk within yourself to the inner consciousness of the supreme power lying within you that is making everything possible in and around you. If you are longing for something to happen in your life, converse to the inner supreme power that is residing within as, I am desiring for so and so. Please make me realize if this is good or bad. If it's only good for me and or the ones around me, Please make this desire happen in my life, else not. I'm leaving or surrendering this desire to you totally and completely. This is how we have to develop the relationship between us and our inner consciousness when we long or desire for anything. Same holds good for any happy events, confusions, irritation, etc. Relationship should be lifelong if at all you are related with any. Never long for earning appreciation from others. We could never hide anything from our inner consciousness. So stop developing the false ego and be a child to the inner consciousness. Live the life with the true inner happiness. Never be scared of the external situations or the people, for you cannot change anything externally. Being cautious is fine, but never be scared of anything. Never care or worry about the things which are out of your control. Leave things out of your control to the universal consciousness to act upon it for the best to happen for us and all. Learn to be true within yourself, but never think about others' perception for your doings. Our inner consciousness will show the path to move every moment in our life. Always learn to listen and follow only that. The right desire will give us the right things, that is, the needed things in life rather than what we want. For enjoying that, we should always be true within ourselves and be in true relationship within ourselves. If we are not true to ourselves, we always be in an irritative mood, leading to physical and mental illness. For a healthier life, being true to ourselves and in relationship within ourselves are quite essential. Acceptance of the happening gives the real inner peace in life. We are able to move forward in life only if we have the quality of acceptance. So finally, hope you all understand the very first relationship we have is with our own self or the inner consciousness. This should be very deeper and strong for the life to be complete. Hope you all understand the value of being true to yourself, the value of the true relationship within yourself and with others. Always be connected within yourself and stay simple and happy. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.